All right, this is our SeeSaw app. This is what the home page looks like. Yours might look different because I have the teacher screen. It has journal, which you will find your name. Elena is the one with the fish. Activities is where she's going to want to go. So it's the one with the light bulb. And make sure when you have the Kindle, it needs to be horizontal, not vertical, or otherwise she won't be able to use the tools. So up here is the last assignment I've posted for the day. I post 3 a day. So expect to complete 3 a day. I will also post the names of the activities on Class Dojo, so you can look on there to see what she needs to complete each day. What you're going to do, since this is the last one I posted, you're going to want to go to Monday's activities. So in order to do that, she's going to want to scroll all the way down and go to the one that says April 2020 calendar. So this is going to be the first activity she will complete. There are directions written. Most of these come with a video, so she will need to watch the video first. So the directions are here. You could read this to her. She can also listen to the directions by pressing this triangle button that says play instructions. But once again, they need to watch the videos first in order to learn what they're going to do in the activities. So once they watch the video, it tells them to press the add response button, which is down here. If you just click on the activity, it's not going to go to anywhere you can edit. So if you press add response and find Elena's name, she's at the top too. So she's that first fish. It takes her into this screen. This activity asks for her to move the month to the correct spot. So in order to move things on the app, there's tools down here. The hand tool allows you to move things. So if the month was April, she would take April and drag it up here. All right. This activity also asks to cross out days and circle what day it is. So in order to do that, she can use the pencil tool and change color on the side, or the pen tool and change color on the side. So crossing out, just use her finger, and then if it was the 4th, she would circle the 4th like so. Then again, it asks to say yesterday was, today is, tomorrow will be. So the days are up here. She's going to use the hand tool and drag those. If she ever makes a mistake with drawing, there's an eraser button, so she can erase that. Or there's a undo button too. So for instance, I can press that back arrow and it would take that away too. So mainly the tool she'll use for editing a worksheet like this is the hand tool to move things, and the pencil or pen tool to draw, and once again you can change the color on the side here. There's also a text button if she ever wants to type in something. If you press the text tool, a text box will appear. You can, I believe on the Kindle, a keypad should show up, and then she can type in something that way if that's easier. If you click out of it, so if I said hi, if I clicked out of it, I can't really edit anymore. Sometimes you need to press the hand tool again or the text tool for the circles to appear so you can make it bigger, smaller, and move it around. If you ever want to get rid of it, just press the 3 dots and press the trash can button to delete. On this side, there's also a recording tool. So this activity also asks for her to record herself saying our calendar routine. So for instance, I'd press the button and start recording. I know it's recording by that red button up top, or I'm sorry, red bar up top. So she would say, today is Saturday, April 4th, 2020. So that would be her recording herself if the activity asks her to. And then she's going to press that green check button when she's done. I'm not going to save that for her yet. Some activities ask you to take a picture of something, so she can press that camera button and then take a picture, and it should upload right to the screen. If she ever forgets the directions during while it's open, you can hit this button, View Instructions, and it'll pop it back up again. And then you can reread it and re-listen to it by pressing this triangle button. Be on the lookout for activities that have more than one slide. So if you see on the side here, there's 1, 2, 3. So this activity asks you to do the calendar, learn this week's sight words, which were write, part, and these. So for these, I asked to rainbow write, which is grabbing one color. You can use a pencil or a pen and practicing spelling the words, and I would say the letters as I write them to practice. So I say W-R-I-T-E, write. So rainbow writing is rewriting the word each time in a different color. So I'd say maybe 3 per word. So now I'm going to switch to a different color and do it again. So she would do that for each sight word for the week if I asked for rainbow writing. And then she would practice writing it on the line too. So all 3 words, rainbow write, and then writing on the line. Then this last one, the third slide, asks, how are you feeling today? So she could circle which way she's feeling, and then she can use that microphone tool to record why she's feeling that way. So that way I have a good idea why she's feeling that way. So when she's all done with the whole activity, she's going to press the green check button, and that will turn it into me. I'm not going to do that so that way we don't save this on her name. But every time she's done, she's going to hit that green check button. So it'll take you back to the activities screen. I'm not totally sure if that same activity will still be there or if it disappears once you finish it. You'll have to let me know about that. So then she'll just move on to the next one, which is our short and long vowel sort. So these were all on Monday. So the April 2020 calendar, short and long vowel sort, and I can identify shapes. So once again, watch the videos before completing. You're going to hit the add response button and find your name. If you have any more questions about the tools, please let me know and I'd love to help.